So you want to work from home and be your own boss? Did you buy the book? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and I wanted to make this quick video because about a week ago, a little over a week ago, I put out my new book on Amazon called How to Work from Home Starting Today, and it was free, guys. It was free. I got a lot of downloads. A lot of people got it, and I was super excited. And the book is just, I love it. It's my baby. It's full of content, but it was free, and it's no longer free, guys. It's not free no more. It's still for sale, but it's no longer free. That's the bad news. The good news is it's only $2.99. Now listen, first of all, before I even talk about the book real quick, I want to say thank you so much to a person named Vinny, whatever. They left a review on the video. You can please go check that out. Really appreciate that review because like I really put a lot of effort into this book, and I'm fully aware that all the content in this book is like, I mean, it's stuff that I paid for to learn, that I bought all these courses and got all the information, and I'm selling it for $3, right? And giving all the resources and step-by-step information in this guide that I know people can take this book, and that's all they need to start making money, being their own boss, working from home. I mean, it just covers like everything you need, right, in the book. And like I said, I just want to make this video because, like I said, people who watch these types of videos are people who are really looking for, work from home opportunities, whether it be making extra income or trying to be their own boss and make a full-time income, whatever. The book that I got out right now, it does that. It straight up does it. And if you don't believe me, just come out $3, right? Go to Amazon, link in the description, get the book, read it. And honestly, I want you to write a review. If you think it's garbage, feel free to go on there and be like, yo, this is whack. But I want an honest review because I know, the stuff in here will help you, start making money online. I know it will. If you read the book, and you pick what method you want to use and whatever you feel comfortable with, or try several different strategies, you will make money. And usually when we watch these videos, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for real opportunities, and that's what, how to work from home starting today. That's what it teaches you, and that's what it will teach you. And I'm excited. And like I said, it's $2.99. You can get it right now. Like I said, it was free a couple weeks ago, a little over a week ago. And I got a good response, but it's still available in $2.99. All these courses out here, I'm being honest with you, these courses out here charging you, $47, $97, $67. It's pretty much the same stuff. I ain't gonna lie to you, that you can get for $2.99. And you'll see it. Like, I want you to get this. Like, you'll see it when you get the book, when you read the book and you get the information, the knowledge that you'll get. You'll realize, like, damn, all them courses I bought, this dude gave it to me for $3 damn. It is what it is. So, guys, check it out now. Get it. Leave some comments. You can even let me know. Leave some reviews on here. But definitely leave them on Amazon, guys. Let me know what you think about it, all right? Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.